Hi guys, it's me, Franz, and today's Monday, and I hate Mondays because every school days and every Mondays at school days, yeah, every Monday at school, after our class, I'm the cleaner with my other friends by the Monday group, and yeah. I'm not cleaners. That's why I hate Mondays. And uh, I told you yesterday that our dogs are going to swim in our pool, in our mini pool, and yeah, and I'm going to show you guys. And I'm sorry that I didn't film you that because my battery is dead. So wait a minute, my sister is calling me. As if you hear that, she's um she's speaking Tagalog. So wait a minute. So I'm back, and my sister asked me to go with her so she can buy a band four band-aids for her in her like for her so I'm going in my bed. Oh, thank you. Here you are. I'm fine. Okay, I closed the door. My door. Yeah. And I washed my face. That's why I have a headband in here. A while ago, I washed my face because I took a bath, and after I took a bath, we ate dinner, and after we ate dinner, I brushed my teeth, and after I brushed my teeth, um, 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 me and my sister, me and my sister bought four band-aids for her ankle, oh, what it's called, yeah, and yeah, and after we bought band-aids, I wash my face, and after I wash my face, I'm filming right now, I'm on my bed, just to buy nothing. Oh, wait! I'm going to play 2048. Wait a minute. I know you're going to ask me to buy some candy for you. And here's what it plays, and I'm now playing with that, and it's for your brain to spark. Yeah. And it's all about math, and that's my favorite, so that's why I'm playing it. Yeah. I'm 16. Oh wait. Here's how you play it. Yeah, you're just going to swipe it, and you're going to plus. Hey, where is it? Plus, plus. Oh, so yeah, that's it. And there's one. It popped. And my mom. And tomorrow, my sister's going to she's going to play some what is that called? I forgot it. Yeah, I forgot it. Oh, yay! Oh, 16. My sister is coming. Oh no, she's not. Can you hear? Can you hear her? She's speaking Tagalog. Because we live in Philippines. And yeah, we're just speaking English. So some people watching YouTube can understand us. Oh, that's deep. That's deep, I think. Yay! That's deep for me because I'm not good at English speaking, so that's good for me. Oh, yay! Eat. Wait. Oh, yay. 4, 16. Yay, yay. No more moves. Yay! Oh, there she comes. Now she's going to speak in Tagalog. Ate, speaking English, I'm filming. If you're talking to me, if you're gonna speak. Ate,
No.
I'm filming 2048.
Huh?
I am playing 2048 while I'm filming. Yeah. And I am always After this, I'm going to watch Kitty's Mom or birthday. Yay! Yeah. No more moves. Yay. Oh, no more. Hey! Come on. Oh no, she's not. No, 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 no. Yay? No. I'm not good at this one. Wait a minute, I'm going to talk to my sister. So, um, I'm done from playing 2048, and now I'm going to watch Kids Mama, and after Kids Mama, I'm going to watch Daily, and I'm going to watch Kids Mama, and I'm going to watch Daily, and yeah, like that. So I'm going to watch it, and I'm going to start this video. So you not, so I can. Hey, my nails are short now but it's not. Hey, look at this. Eee. I cut it. So yeah, bye. See you tomorrow.